going to show you the Agco Resort. So let's go. Garden here. So as you can see, there's a pool over there. One is the hot pool, so we'll go down there.
Kayla! Kayla! Kayla!
Hot pool here. This is the cold water here. So we will go to the and we will go to the boiling
Mud.
So as you can see, no smoking. Yes, no smoking. Then, so we will go there, the Jacuzzi Antapan Mountain Resort. Yeah. So there's a lot of view here. As you can see, to the sea. And you will see there. Hot air. So we will go there to try this.
Olga.
No seat here, no chair. Just you can stand here, take a picture over there or here. So this way is going to mini waterfalls, so we can go there. So we will go the next, the boiling mud. This way. Oh, doon. Ito ba naman ko? So a lot of people is going here to try this boiling mud. Like you can can put it your body or face. Yeah, like this. Like this, they can use this to get a boiling mud. So you can see, oh, it's boiling. Like this, you can get this, this. Eh, sino? Or you can put in your body or face, and after 1 minute, you can wash your body or face na. After put it in this, you can put it here. So let's go. So like this, you can put it here your body, like this, or your face. This. So after 1 minute, body ba? You can wash na. Like this. Yeah. Like now want to put a boiling mud ba? Mud or mud? Mud?
Mud.
Yeah. Boiling mud.
Diba, correct na ko ba si Marie din siguro vlog with mud.
Mood.
But you can put all your body dito. Yes, you can put all your body dito. You the body. Correct? You can
Wash it when it's dry.
when it's dry na, you can wash na. So like this.
Ano, Doy?
Oh,
Ato ako, Mama.
wait lang, sabay lang ta.
Maslide ka.
Ayo kay na dira ni aswang dira.
Hindi, na mo dito na. Yes.
Sabay
Hello
lang ta.
guys, by the way, this is my cousin, Elena May. She's a beautiful